Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming the device supports Touch ID and that it's tied to your Google account, because you'll disable a biometric linked to that account. Once you've located the Google app or Chrome, tap your avatar and choose Manage your Google account. You'll be prompted to enter your device passcode or re-authenticate. Do that now so you can access security controls without interruptions. Make sure mobile OS updates aren't pending before continuing. Once inside Manage your Google account, move to the Security tab and scan for signing in to Google or biometric preferences. Google consolidates these controls here. Tap the relevant section to view devices and authentication methods. You may see use your phone to sign in or a specific biometric authentication entry. Select the Touch ID entry or the device that lists biometrics and open it. This reveals toggle. Now turn off the Touch ID toggle or remove the device from biometric sign-in. When prompted, confirm and re-enter your passcode to finalize changes. Once disabled, force a quick test. Sign out of the Google app or lock the phone and sign back in using a password to ensure Touch ID no longer appears. If Touch ID remains available, revoke device access under your Devices in Account settings. That usually severs residual links and resolves the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.